How do you feel?
I think it looks like drapery and it feels like a fishnet.
Keisha.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Welcome.
My name is Catherine. I'm 25 years old. I've been engaged for 7 years, and it's totally freaking time to get married.
So are you ready to try dresses?
Yes.
Catherine's body type, she has a long torso. She has great legs. I think this girl can wear just about any dress. I'm putting the princess ball gown on Catherine because she has the long and lean figure to pull it off. How do you feel?
I think it looks like drapery and it feels like a fishnet. I feel like an old lady in this dress.
Do you want to show your mom?
I should show her because I probably won't get a ball gown, so just show her
Okay.
at least one.
And you have like a special relationship with your mom?
She's been there for me through everything.
Yeah.
And she has ALS now. 4 years ago, my mom was diagnosed with ALS, which is Lou Gehrig's disease, and it's a life-threatening disease. We're just hoping that she can't make it to the wedding. So if she doesn't, I want her to see everything that she can see. My biggest fear is that my mom won't be here.
Give me a hug.
She's already not gonna get to dance with me for her first dance. She's not gonna help my dad walk me down the aisle. But just with her being there and seeing her smile waiting for me when I get to the end of the aisle is gonna be the best feeling I've ever felt.
You're strong.
Yeah, I try to be. I have a good family that helps me to be strong.
We've been stricken with an illness that came upon us. You got to have positive thinking throughout the whole thing. If you step back to look at the reality of your life, what's going on with it, I mean, you're going to lose yourself.
So let's do this for her.
See what she says.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's what we think.
Yeah. It's important for me to make this a fun experience for the family, Catherine, and especially her mom.
Oh, it looks gorgeous. Look beautiful.
Oh my God, my mom loves this dress and it is so ugly.
I can't say one single thing bad about that dress.
It is a pretty dress,
Turn around.
but it's not
Catherine.
my dress.
Oh, and the back is gorgeous too, Catherine.
Same
I
thing
like
as
it.
me.
You're thinking no?
But I thought it was just a bit too old-fashioned.
I hate this dress. It breaks my heart that I can't agree on something that she agrees on, but at the same time, I just don't see what she sees in this dress.
It kind of reminds me of the 50s prom dresses.
Yeah,
sort
because
of.
you're old-fashioned.
We're
It's
here
beautiful.
shopping for a wedding
No,
dress,
I
not
know,
a prom dress.
I know, this is a wedding. It's beautiful.
So,
anyway, what I have to
next.
say means nothing.
It means a lot, what you have to say.
No,
My mom is the king of guilt trips.
I could be gone in a year from now.
No, why would you say that?
And the dress I really love wouldn't be on.
I'm an emotional wreck, okay? Should I cry? Should I laugh? Should I cry? Should I laugh?
No guilt trips.
Okay, never mind.
I can tell when she's guilt tripping me, and that was totally like she's pulling my arm. Just I'm trying to bug you, and I'm going to. So why not?
Oh my goodness, Catherine. Very nice. That is beautiful. Can I see the back of it? Sure. Yeah, at the back, she's got no booty in it. Like,
I think the bottom needs to be fuller.
Have some poof.
I don't know what poof is, but it looks darn good to me.
I like how this dress is form-fitting. I don't like how there's not any dramatic at the bottom. To me, that just looks like a regular wedding dress.
I love it.
Oh, yeah?
I do, I really.
Oh my God, I love this dress. It's got the wow at the bottom. It's got the form-fitting in the hips. It's a booty-shaking, bootylicious dress. It's totally me.
That's nice. This is my favorite.
That's a dress.
I like that one.
Oh, I like that one.
Yes. Love, 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 love it.
You look so beautiful.
This is Erin.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. I
hope
love
it's
it.
a contender.
At the top of my list.
Oh, I love that one.
I agree.
I love
I
it.
love it.
I desperately want my mother to like this dress. I want everybody to like it.
Catherine, if I'm to be honest with you, I'm not wild about it.
If my mom doesn't love this dress, I can't say that I could go ahead and buy it.
So you think she's missing something?
I don't know. I'm just not.
I do like the veil with these little diamond things on
Yes.
I think if we add some bling, it could possibly change her mother's mind.
I need something on this dress that's gonna make my mom go, wow. We need to get that right now. Let's get on this.
I'll bring the noise.
Okay, we're getting there.
Patricia, look at her back.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, Angela.
Perfecto.
You look absolutely stunning.
With the veil and the bling and beautiful smile. Just looks lovely. You look beautiful, Catherine.
Why are you making me cry?
You make me cry.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
Everybody's wedding.
I'm so happy that I had Catherine as a bride and her family. I mean, they're just so amazing. You know what? This is the best part of my job. It leaves a smile on my face and a good feeling in my heart.
Even though she's going through all this, there's still that special day and that fun party we're gonna have. And so I think all of us kind of pull together and kind of make the best of the occasion, because if you're not going to, what's the point?